show us how you can actually create a TikTok account. Like I said, I like starting everything from the scratch. So if you know how to create a TikTok account, then no problem. But in case you don't, then hang around with me as I show you exactly how you can create a TikTok account from the scratch. So without much ado, I just go over, let's move straight to the place. Let me show you how you can actually create a TikTok account from the scratch, okay? So here you look at, I click on my profile. For some of us who already does not have any single TikTok account, you don't need to click on profile. All you need to do is just go straight to your Play Store and download TikTok, okay? Download TikTok from Play Store. Then once you download TikTok from Play Store, move ahead to and click on create account, okay? So it will open for you to create an account. Why for some of us who have already TikTok account and want to create another one, like me, just look at your top right, the three dots out there, and click on it, okay? So you see where it tell you creators tools, business suits, micro, and the rest of them. So that's not where you are going. Look at the middle where you see my surname, username as Ceiven. Click on that middle. And if you scroll down for you to see Ceiven, for you, which is my username for this account, the next one is add account. So click on add account. Okay. So right here on add account, you see it's asking you, do you want to add this account using your phone or email? Do you want to continue with Facebook or you want to continue with Google? It's very simple. Phone and email, it is something we apply to whoever is creating a new account, okay? You also come over to this dashboard, okay? So if you decide to use phone and email, that means it will ask you for either your phone or your email. It's always better. I always like to use the first one. If you want to continue with Facebook, that means you have a Facebook account. You don't want to link the Facebook account with your TikTok account. So TikTok will link it up immediately. And that has an advantage in that the moment you post anything or are you posting anything, TikTok will always look for your friends on Facebook through your permission anyway, and they will add it to your TikTok account. Okay, so that is the advantage. But if you use your phone or email, they also ask you to link your Facebook account or other social media account. So you have to link. But if you use Facebook, it's already linked, so you don't need to do anything. TikTok will just add it to you, and from there, most of your friends on Facebook can trace you directly across to TikTok. So that is the advantage. Okay. Continue with Google is something like use phone or email. Because if you click on use email, that means you have to type your email address. But if I click on continue with Google, that means I don't need to type my email address already. They just bring out your email address and you just click on it and straight away. Okay, so it is more easier. Okay, it's more easier. You don't need to put so many things. But if you use phone or email, that makes it to be putting things one after the other. But as for me, because I want us to take it bit by bit, scratch from scratch, I'm going to teach you directly from the beginning. So we are going to use phone or email. And if you also look down, so they say by continuing your agree to attempts or this. And there you see NJ. Okay, if you're a new person, NJ. NJ means Nigeria. So there you can also change the country. But I don't want to go into that now because our subsequent training, the next training, we talk about how you can create international TikTok account. And that is when we'll discuss this. So the moment we change this, every other thing remains the same. Okay. So without wasting time, let's use phone or email. Click on phone or email. Then it will ask you for phone number if you are using phone. While at your right is your email address. If you are using email address, it will ask for your email address. You see what TikTok just did? I was able to fetch my phone number, the one I used to register the first one. Okay. So if you have a TikTok account already, TikTok will be able to fetch your phone number directly for you to just click on it and you move. But if you want to use this particular one, then you click none of the above and then input the one that you want to use. But as for me, I want to use email as I told you. So I click on use email. And it will ask my email address. Okay, so I'll put my email address straight up and move on. So depending on what you want to do, that email or phone anyone you want to use, just use it. So after that, you click next. Okay. Just hold on, it's opening. Maybe because of okay. So you will now ask for password. Okay. Don't forget this password you want to use, and that is the advantage. You have your password, everything there. So any password you put here, you should always remember that password because that's what you want to use and you want to open this account. Okay. So I'll create a password and use it. Go ahead and create yours. So I've go ahead and put my password, and immediately after putting your password, you see where they write forgot password. They are interested asking you that In case you forgot this password, what do you use? You use email or whatever. So you choose email. So that way, if you forget your password, they will mail you a code that will enable you to put in your password. Okay. But if you don't want to go through that, just put on your email and move ahead. Okay. Your password and move ahead. So let's check. Let's wait for it to open. It will now ask us for our date of birth. So right now, TikTok doesn't want me to continue because they know I've already signed up. Okay, say you have already signed up. You understand? So I think I use a different phone number. Maybe that would have gone in. But the remaining processes is very simple. You don't need to do much work. Okay, just by the time you click next, you take it to where they will ask you for your date of birth. Please input your real date of birth. Okay, the day, the month, and the year. Reason being that if tomorrow TikTok got monetized in Nigeria, before you will be monetized, when you be eligible for monetization, if you are get enough the number of followers that they needed, they may require you to bring in your passport, your ID, and that ID must contain your email, your date of birth. Okay, even your bank verification for them to pay you. That's if you got monetized. Remember, Nigerian is not monetized, but I'm talking about in case of tomorrow. After all, after this time last 2 years, nobody knew that Facebook monetized Nigeria last year, but still Nigerians are monetized on Facebook. So anything can happen on TikTok as well. Okay, so it's better to prepare yourself. So at that time, not start be rushing it and to start changing your password, your date of birth, start changing names and stuff like that. So use the real one and move ahead. So after putting your date of birth, click next, and from there, next, it will be over. Okay, so once it's over, you come back to this dashboard. Okay, let me take you to the dashboard where you know that yes. Let me take you back to the TikTok dashboard. So it will bring you back to this place interface, okay, where you see your username up at Ceiven down, and if you check your three dot down here, you see your creators to business to my QR code and settings and privacy. You see all of this. So that means you've ended up creating your TikTok account. Okay, it also bring you to your play where you now start seeing people already on TikTok doing things. Okay, and remember, by the time you start seeing people, your duty is to start following. But as you are following, make sure that you follow people that are close to your niche, because that's what people use. TikTok will use what you are watching to be sending to you. Okay, because that's what for now they don't know much about you, but from what you are watching every day, they'll be sending to you. And mind you, always create content that is authentic, that is original. Okay, content that will help you to go viral. Don't worry, now subsequent videos will show you how you can create content that is original and that people will like to watch. So far so good. This is how you can create a TikTok account here in Nigeria. In our next tutorial, we'll show you can create a TikTok account, international TikTok account, maybe using UK, US, or other country that are monetized. So that by the time you become eligible, you can start earning from that international TikTok account. See you in that class, and thank you for hanging around with us today. And please, if you like what we teach you, kindly subscribe, follow us, comment, and share this to at least 5 more people so that they too can get this information. Feel free to ask questions. See you in our next tutorial. Bye.